G'day everyone, how you going? So a while back I did a bit of a challenge where I ate a bird's eye, a habanero, then a reaper. In between each of those I had milk because my tolerance wasn't up there. And what today is, I'm going to test my tolerance because my tolerance is increasing. Last time I did a reaper, my ability to be okay was really high and I thought it went really smoothly. So call me insane, call me a madman. And they called me a madman. I'm going to do the challenge again with the bird's eye, habanero, and then reaper. Now I'm going to have a minute between each, no milk in between, and I'm going to do all three, one after the other. I want to get my tolerance up there, so I'm thinking maybe eventually I could go into competitive chili eating contests, that sort of thing. I absolutely love the burn. I love the endorphin rush, and yeah, I love eating chili. So without any further ado, let's start off with the bird's eye. Easy. Easy. Bird's eye, so easy. The seeds are getting stuck in my throat. Next is a habanero. It's quite a big pot. My nerves are getting a bit high. Like my bit anxious. I do suffer from anxiety, which is funny, but eating chilies, and they're not going to kill you unless you have something like a 12 million Scoville extract. Even then, you'd have to eat a lot of it for anything really bad to happen. I mean, if you have stomach ulcers and that, yeah, don't do this sort of thing. I'm a little bit nervous for the habanero, but I've only got a minute after I eat this, so we're at the 2-minute mark now. Let's do it. Habanero. Stuck in my teeth. Got tissue. Toilet paper, clean. Whoa. Alright. Oh. The heat in my mouth at the moment is good. It's quite hot. Any of you familiar with a YouTuber named Johnny Scoville? He could do this. No trouble at all. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to have to bail out on this with milk. It's pretty hot in my mouth, but I'm coping. Better than last time. Oh man, it was good. That's a good burn. Oh. Whew. My eyes are already watering a little bit. I'm not sweating or anything though, but this reaper, ooh, look at it. Ooh, she's going to be hot. Ooh. Already got that nice heat in my mouth. Oh, my tongue. Tingling. So that's what I mean. My tolerance is quite high. My tongue is just tingling. Haven't had any milk yet. I'm going to do the reaper. Woo! This is going to be fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to try to go 5 minutes. Oh. My tolerance has definitely increased. Holy crap. I'm looking forward to trying, oh man, that burns. I'm looking forward to trying an extract. You guys familiar with the sauce or Mad Dog Plutonium? Yeah, I reckon I'm going to tackle that. I'm going to keep eating this sort of stuff though. Woo! Damn! Oh. Tomorrow I'm gonna be instant regret when I Ugh. Whew. Oh. That's hot. I can't believe I haven't got the hiccups. Holy crap. The heat, oh, I'd say 9 as my tolerance has gone up. Oh, it's close to 10 though, having the birds, the Habo, and then the Reaper. It's building. Woo! This is insane. Oh. The heat is insane. Like, woo! Oh. Whoa. We're a minute in. I only got 4 minutes to go. 5 minutes, no milk, but man, this burns. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is insane. This is insane. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh, the endorphin rush is kicking in. It's a good one. Oh. 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 3 minutes to go. Woo. Woo. Oh, that's intense. That is really intense. The build up, holy. Oh. Oh. I can't believe I haven't had hiccups. The heat, I'll be honest, probably got to about a 10. Oh. Oh, that's insane. Oh. It's peaked already. Oh. The endorphin rush. I literally feel naturally high right now. Oh. Oh boy. Woo! That's how you feel alive. Oh. Oh, that was in some insane heat. Oh. Oh. My tolerance is definitely ridiculously high at the moment. Nowhere near like Johnny Scoville's, but oh. The heat's still not backing off. Top of my mouth is just like caning, on fire. My tongue on fire, caning. Oh, I've only got 2 minutes to go. It is letting up a little bit. Whew. Hot damn. Tag team's the double header. So, Son of Sam. Fire always makes it better. That's definitely fire in my mouth. If I were to get that in my eye, holy. Whew. Heaven help me if I got it in my eye. I'm nearly there. 1 minute, 40 seconds, 5 minutes. Give me a thumbs up. TikTok, like and follow. I don't know if I can break this up into parts. I find TikTok annoying. YouTube, like and subscribe. Oh boy. Owl's Kitchen, Owl Rocks. Oh, I'm a chilly head. It's nearly gone, but I'm still going to have the milk at the 5 minute mark. 10 seconds. High five, guys. Woo! That was insane. My tolerance, 4 seconds. And I did it. Oh. Here's the iced tea. Oh, I hated that meme. I had too much coffee today, so I'm like, tea. Made myself an iced tea. Oh, high five, guys. I did it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you know anyone that's got any super hots, let me know if I can get my hands on any. I've been trying to get some. I'm going to grow my own chilies. Grow my own super hots at tax time. Get a little greenhouse and that. Thank you so much for watching. Double high five. Bird's Eye Habanero Reaper. No milk in between. 5 minutes of intense heat that I thoroughly enjoyed. And yeah, look forward to the next one. Bye.